In this video, we'll take up the simple interest homework sheet. So we're calculating interest after 3 months. So instead of 1, it's now 3 over 12 because it's 3 months and there are 12 months in a year. What's the total value of the investment? Well, you take the principal and you add the money from the bank, the interest. So that's $255,000. So $3,000 earning 5% simple interest annually. So this is your linear model. You're getting an extra $150 every single year. And then how long will it take to double? Well, doubling means $6,000, solve for t, so after 20 years. If you want to double in 10 years instead, you can solve for the new interest rate, which is 10%. All right, number 3. From the graph, you can tell the principal is $500. You can solve for the interest rate by just seeing how much is grown within a year. And that's $10. Oh, sorry, 10%. It's $50 on a principal of 500, so that's 10%. 4A, you're calculating how many months or how many years rounded to the nearest month. So we're going to assume there that it's paying out interest every month. So it'll be 4 years and 2 months. You have to round up. So let's see, 0.17 times 12. That's 2.04. You know, let's double check. 200 divided by 48. Okay, it's 4.167. So times 12. Okay, so perfect. 2. So you don't have to round anything. But you have to round up, because if it was like 4 years, 2 months, and some odd days, you have to wait till the 4th year and 3rd month to actually grow to the $1,000. Because yeah, the bank won't pay you and you won't reach that amount that you desire. 4B, just subbing in a new rate, 8% instead of 6%. So how much faster will it be? Question 5, you're just solving for the interest after 8 months, solving for the interest after 4 years. Question 6, create the linear model. You're getting an extra $48 every month. Is it month or year? Let's see. Question 6, every year. I know it doesn't look like a great amount, but it's because the principal is rather small. Like $1,200 might be a lot of money to you, but it's not that much. Okay. So imagine like if you had $1 million, 4% on $1 million is much better, right? So anyways, to be rich, it's very helpful to be rich to begin with. Like if you weren't very rich to begin with, it's hard to get the ball rolling. Anyways, 6B, you're just solving for the time. So quarter of a year is 3 months. All right, for 7, you're solving for the interest pay. You have the interest paid, solving for the rate. So we're looking at about 16.7%. Once again, solving for the time, 3 years. And lastly, for number 9, it's 3 days of the year. So it's calculated daily. So you're paying about $1,972.60. So why is this amount so big? Well, even though it's 3 days, because 12% is huge. 12% is a very large rate. And not only that, your principal on the loan is $2 million. That's huge as well. So huge rate, huge principal. Even though it's a very short time, the interest is still going to end up being very, very large. All right, so that's the homework on simple interest.